guys, welcome to an all-new episode of Conflicts. In honor of the all-new Avengers movie, I'm excited to show you the Egg Attack EAA-059 Thanos model by Beast Kingdom. Now, today we'll be unboxing with our special guest, Thanos himself. Haha. Alright, so anyways, in this episode here we'll be unboxing it, trying it out, as well as doing a quick little photo shoot. Now, if you wanted your very own, be sure to check out Beast Kingdom's link down below in the description. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this here is our Egg Attack Thanos model by Beast Kingdom with our good buddy Thanos unboxing it with us. You excited? Alright, as am I. So let's go ahead and get started and see what's on the inside. Okay, so the box itself is pretty nicely detailed. So you do see Thanos here on the cover in all of its glory. There's actually a newer version of the endgame model that is coming out, so do keep that in mind. Now, other than that, you do see Thanos here on the front, as well as a variety of different pieces, including two different gauntlets, one being more of a fist and one being a relaxed pose, as well as a variety of arms and also different faces. Now, you do get a serious face as well as a smiling face, so you do get a good amount of variations in making different positions. Now, that does have actually about 27 articulation joints, making a good variability in terms of making different moves. Now, in the back here, it does show some different positions that you can go ahead and do it. Again, the creativity is all up to you. So it's kind of interesting and kind of unique, and also comes with its own exclusive stand, which is pretty neat too. So let's go ahead and open this thing up next and see what's on the inside. All right, so this will lift up just like that, and oh, nice. Look at that. Looks exactly like him. Anyways, so all right, so that's kind of scary. His head just kind of like popped right off, so be careful when you do use it. It kind of snaps into place just like that. All right, so we'll place our Thanos down for now. Of course, we have our smiling head over here, and then we have our fisted gauntlet. We can go ahead and pop that off and change it for the relaxed position as well. And then we have these different arm pieces, which is kind of cool. So that is really more or less that. And lastly, we have our exclusive stand right over here, which is pretty cool too. So you can go ahead and stand our Thanos and make it a nice display piece. In terms of Thanos goes, so right now he's got his fist here. So we're gonna go ahead and take this off next and put on his gauntlet, of course. Haha, sweet. So he's got that, and then you can go ahead and like position it based on whatever you want. Like, it's got a lot of details. I mean, even looking at like the stones and whatnot, you can actually see there's a lot of different details on there. His material on his clothing is pretty cool. It's got a lot of small details, and it does move around a lot, and that's pretty neat. So you can go ahead and like position them whichever way you want, and then just make your own little posture just like that. Pretty cool. Now in terms of the face piece goes, so you just go ahead and of course pull it out, which we already kind of realized. And then you take the second face, which is the serious one, or the smiling one actually. So this here's a smiling face, so you can go ahead and just place it into place just like that. Wow, he looks goofy as heck. Look at him. Whoa! And then again, he doesn't really sound like that, but hey, look at that. So yeah, there you have it. With that being said, let's go ahead and have some fun and do a little photo shoot. And there you have it. This here is the Thanos Infinity War Egg Attack model. A very nice, highly detailed model, and definitely makes a great piece to any collection. Now, if you wanted your very own, be sure to check out Beast Kingdom link down below in the description. And with that being said, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't, give it a thumbs down. But either way, subscribe for more videos. And thank you once again to Thanos for coming down here and filming with us. And with that being said, we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.